Hi, I'm Paul Bartley from Dynamic Marine. We specialise in marine LED lighting. We're here today on a late model powerboat. This boat has come from the factory with LED lighting, but the owner has asked me to investigate options to improve that lighting. So we're going to try the new Marine EuroLED 75. So here we are in the saloon of the boat, and we have the original downlights turned on. And even though these are LED and therefore more efficient than halogen, they do appear a little washed out and dim in here. The owner has requested that we improve the light performance and the ambience in this area. We've now changed all the downlights to the EuroLED 75, and as you can see, there's quite an improvement in the light performance. This light has a colour temperature of 2700 Kelvin and has a wide beam angle of 80 degrees. Now take a closer look at the Marine EuroLED 75. You'll see that it has a really nice diffused lens, a highly polished 316 stainless steel bezel, and if we take a look at the back, you'll notice that it's fully sealed. This lamp is IP67 and we can use it both in the interior and exterior, so any wet areas, not a problem for this lamp. This area now feels a lot more warm and inviting, and that was one of the owner's original requests, was to improve that in this area, and I think we've achieved that.